This is TrueGrit.
Good morning guys, and welcome to this new series of videos dedicated to archery. This is meant to be a complete guide to professional archery, and remember, this is TrueGrit, so if something is not true, you won't find it here. We will start by building our own bow shop in a cheap, practical and easy way. We'll have a video dedicated to how to build a bow press, a bow vise, a draw board, how to use T-squares, levels, arrow saws, fletching jigs, arrow scales, how to build our own pepper tuning jig, and much more, up to everything that you need to have a perfectly functioning professional bow shop. We'll go all the way through how to install and tune cables, strings, peep sights, D-loops, how to tune cams, how to adjust your draw length, and how to install optics and tune them, how to choose the right arrows for our bow, how to measure the spine, to weight them, how to build them, from cutting to fletching to choosing the arrow tips and broadheads, and how to adjust let off, and how to choose, tune, and adjust bow releases. And then, step by step, we'll go through all you need to know to become a good archer. From shooting form to release techniques, how to acquire consistency in your shooting form, and then retune your bow, how to shoot uphill and downhill, how to use rangefinders, and a lot of other tips that are going to be very useful for you to avoid making mistakes, wasting time, wasting money. And also, if you have questions, ask them below in the comments and I'll answer them. And guys, if you like the videos, please support the channel with a like and subscribing.